In this video, I'll show you exactly how to play The Sims 4 in multiplayer mode using a popular mod called S4MP or Sims 4 Multiplayer. This isn't a built-in feature from EA, but thanks to the modding community, you can now enjoy The Sims 4 with your friends in real time. Here's how to set it up. First, open your browser and search for Sims 4 Multiplayer or S4MP. Click on the official website, which should be sims.multiplayer.com. Once you're on the site, you can read through the information or watch a demo video if you'd like. When you're ready, click the download button, and you will be redirected to CurseForge, where you can either download the mod directly or install it using the CurseForge launcher. Before installing the mod, open The Sims 4 and go to Game Options, then Other. Here, make sure that both Enable Custom Content and Mods and Script Modes Allowed are turned on. This is important to make the multiplayer mod work properly. Next, take the downloaded S4MP files and place them in your Sims 4 Mods folder, usually located under Documents, then Electronic Arts, then The Sims 4, then Mods. Once the files are in place, launch the game and make sure everything is enabled. To start playing multiplayer, one person will act as the host. That person will launch the mod, create the household, and then share their IP address with the other players. The host will also assign a sim to each player who's joining. Everyone else connects using the IP and gets control of their assigned sim in the same game world. Make sure to allow the mod through your firewall if prompted. This ensures your connection won't be black. Also, a stable internet connection is also recommended for smooth gameplay. And that's it! With S4MP set up, you can now enjoy The Sims 4 with your friends, building, managing households, and living virtual lives together, all in real time.